Welcome to your AI Deep Dive. Today, we're all about impact, the AI projects making a real difference in the world. We've got some cutting-edge research. We've got some community buzz. We've even got a few like, wait, they can do that moments.
It's incredible to see this surge in development that's focused on positive change. We're moving beyond the theoretical and into practical solutions that can genuinely improve lives.
Yeah, it's really cool stuff. Okay, so let's jump right in. Our first stop takes us to the world of rare diseases. Often a very frustrating and isolating experience for patients, right?
Absolutely.
But there's a new AI tool in the scene. It's called Zebra-Llama, and it's all about making this rare disease knowledge more accessible. I'm already intrigued. What's so special about this one?
So Zebra-Llama doesn't just give you information. It acts like a personalized research assistant using something called Retrieval Augmented Generation. Imagine being able to ask complex questions about a rare condition and getting a clear, concise answer backed up by the latest research, all neatly organized with citations you can actually follow.
So it's not just another search engine spitting out, a million results. It's actually like synthesizing the information and making it understandable for someone who may not be a medical expert.
Exactly. For patients who are often grappling with confusing symptoms and limited information, this level of clarity can be life-changing. It can empower them to advocate for themselves and connect with others who understand their journey.
Now, that's what I call impactful AI. It's amazing to see how something as complex as AI can be used to address such a personal and often overlooked challenge. Speaking of making things easier, we've got another tool that caught my eye, and this one's all about helping AI itself process information more efficiently. It's called Chonkie, and it's tackling the challenge of chunking text. So break it down for me. Why is chunking so important in the AI world?
Imagine trying to read a whole encyclopedia at once. Overwhelming. Right. For AI, processing large chunks of text can be just as daunting. Chonky steps in as a super efficient organizer, breaking down information into manageable bytes that AI can digest easily.
So it's like giving AI a reading strategy, helping it focus on the most relevant parts of a text.
You could say that. And what's really exciting about Chonky is that it's incredibly fast and simple to use, making it a valuable tool for anyone working with AI that needs to make sense of large amounts of data.
Okay, I'm seeing a theme here. AI helping us understand complex information better, both for ourselves and for AI systems. But now hold on to your hats, because we're about to enter the fast-paced world of code generation. And let me tell you, the advancements here are blowing my mind. First up, we have Qwen2.5 Coder, a family of AI models that are making waves with their ability to not just write code, but to reason about it, fix errors, and even understand the intent behind human-written code. Wait, AI that can debug my code? Where do I sign up?
It's remarkable. Qwen's capabilities go far beyond simple syntax. It's learning to think like a developer, anticipating potential issues, suggesting solutions. What's even more impressive is its multilingual prowess, understanding both English and Chinese. This opens up incredible possibilities for global collaboration.
So we could have teams of developers from all over the world speaking different languages, working seamlessly together with the help of AI. That's next level stuff.
Absolutely. Qwen represents a significant step towards breaking down language barriers in the tech world. And it's not just about efficiency, it's about fostering a more inclusive and collaborative environment where diverse perspectives can come together to create innovative solutions.
Now that's a future I can get behind. But Qwen isn't the only star player in this code generating arena. We also have OpenCoder, another family of models that's making headlines for its ability to generate code in multiple programming languages. And here's what really caught my attention. OpenCoder is all about transparency, making its training data and code readily available to the research community. Why is this open source approach so important in the world of AI development, especially for something as powerful as code generation?
Open source is all about collaboration and democratization. By making their work transparent, OpenCoder is inviting researchers and developers worldwide to contribute to its development, to scrutinize its methods, and build upon its foundation. This not only accelerates progress, but also helps ensure that these powerful tools are developed responsibly and ethically.
It's like saying, hey, this is groundbreaking technology. Let's make sure it benefits everyone. I love that.
Exactly. Open source fosters a sense of shared ownership and responsibility, which is crucial when we're talking about AI that has the potential to reshape entire industries.
It sounds like open source might be a key ingredient for ensuring that AI is used for good, not just for profit. But before we get too philosophical, let's dive into another project that's caught my eye. And this one's all about making AI more accessible to everyday users. I'm talking about Open Interpreter, and it's changing the way we interact with our computers.
Open Interpreter really is a fascinating development, you know. It lets you use natural language to control your computer, making tasks like data analysis and automation so much easier.
Okay, so instead of needing to know all this complicated coding language, I can just tell my computer what I want to do, like I'm talking to a friend.
Precisely. Imagine saying, hey, analyze this spreadsheet and tell me which products had the highest sales last quarter, and your computer just does it. No need for formulas or complex scripts.
That's wild. It's like having your own personal tech assistant who understands you perfectly. It really does make the power of computing accessible to anyone, regardless of their technical skills. But shifting gears a bit, I'm curious about how AI is being used to tackle real-world problems beyond the digital realm. One project that caught my attention is Zomato's food rescue initiative, which uses AI to reduce food waste. Can you tell me more about how that works?
Yeah, it's a brilliant application of AI. Zomato, a popular food delivery platform, they use AI to predict which orders are likely to be canceled. Then, they offer those meals to users at a discounted price.
So instead of perfectly good food ending up in the trash,
Uh-huh.
it gets a second chance to be enjoyed, and users get a great deal. It's a win-win-win.
Exactly. It's a simple yet effective solution that addresses a major global problem. You know, food waste is a huge contributor to climate change, and Zomato is showing how AI can be part of the solution. It's a great example of how AI can be used for both social and environmental good.
I'm loving these examples of AI making a tangible difference in the world. Now let's talk about a project that's pushing the boundaries of what AI can create. I'm talking about CogVideoX, an AI model that can generate high-definition videos. Hold on. AI that can make videos. Is this like those deepfake videos I've heard about?
Not quite. CogVideoX is about creating original content, not manipulating existing footage. Imagine being able to describe a scene or concept and having AI generate a stunning visual representation of it.
So if I wanted a video of, say, a futuristic cityscape with flying cars and holographic billboards, AI could just make that happen.
Precisely. And with resolutions up to 1024 by 1024, we're talking about professional quality visuals here. This technology has the potential to revolutionize filmmaking, animation, even advertising. Imagine creating entire movies or marketing campaigns without ever picking up a camera.
That's insane. It's like giving anyone with an idea, the ability to bring their vision to life. But what about the creative process? Does AI take over completely, or is there still a role for human directors and artists?
That's a great question, and it's one that's being actively explored. While AI can handle the technical aspects of video creation, human creativity is still essential for crafting compelling narratives, developing characters, bringing emotional depth to the screen.
So it's more of a collaboration, with AI kind of augmenting human creativity rather than replacing it.
Exactly. AI can handle the heavy lifting, freeing up artists and filmmakers to focus on what they do best, storytelling and emotional connection.
I'm fascinated by the possibilities here. But before we get too lost in the world of AI-generated blockbusters, let's talk about another development that's making waves in the scientific community. AlphaFold 3, the AI system that revolutionized protein folding, has been open-sourced for academic research. I remember this being a huge breakthrough. What are the implications of making this technology freely available to researchers worldwide?
It's a game changer. AlphaFold's ability to accurately predict the 3D structure of proteins was a monumental achievement, with profound implications for drug discovery, disease research, and our understanding of life itself. Now, with the code and weights being open-sourced, researchers everywhere can access and build upon this groundbreaking technology.
So it's like giving scientists all over the world a powerful new tool to accelerate their research.
Precisely. Imagine a small research lab in a developing country having access to the same cutting-edge AI technology as a major pharmaceutical company. That's the power of open source. It levels the playing field and democratizes access to scientific advancement.
This is exactly the kind of global collaboration and knowledge sharing that gives me hope for the future. But before we get too carried away with the potential of open source AI, I want to bring up a crucial aspect of AI development that sometimes gets overlooked, the human element.
Yeah, it's easy to get caught up in all the technical advancements and all that, but at the end of the day, AI is a tool,
Oh.
created by humans for humans.
And it's crucial that we consider the ethical implications of these powerful technologies.
Absolutely. We need to be mindful of potential biases. We need to ensure fairness and transparency, and we always need to prioritize human well-being. It's not just about what AI can do, but what it should do.
Right, right. Well said. And it's encouraging to see that these ethical considerations are becoming more prominent in the AI community. But speaking of ensuring that AI benefits everyone, I want to circle back to a project we touched on earlier, Open Interpreter. You mentioned that it's changing the way we interact with our computers. Can you elaborate on that a little bit?
Think of it as like a universal translator for technology. Instead of needing to learn complex coding languages, you can simply talk to your computer in plain English. Give it instructions, ask it questions, even have it perform complex tasks.
So for someone who's not a tech expert, this could be like a total game changer.
Absolutely. It opens up a world of possibilities for people who might have felt intimidated by technology in the past. Imagine a senior citizen who can now easily manage their finances online, or a student who can use AI to help them with their research and writing, all without needing to be a coding whiz.
That's incredible. It's like breaking down the barriers between humans and technology, making it more intuitive and accessible for like everyone. And speaking of making information accessible, I want to touch on another tool we discussed, Llama Index. It's all about helping you create your own personal knowledge base from your documents. Can you kind of like walk me through how that works and why it's so valuable?
Imagine having all your important information, research papers, articles, notes, even your favorite recipes organized in a way that allows you to ask questions and get instant answers. That's what Llama Index does. It's like having your own personal AI librarian who can instantly retrieve any piece of information you need.
So no more like endless scrolling through files trying to find that one crucial document.
Exactly. Llama Index helps you make sense of the information overload we all face. And because it's built on your own personal data, it's tailored to your specific needs and interests.
That's huge for anyone who works with a lot of information, whether you're a student or a researcher or just, someone who likes to stay organized. But before we wrap up, I want to revisit one last project that really captured my imagination. DSPi, the framework for multimodal AI. It sounds incredibly futuristic. Can you paint a picture of what this kind of AI could enable in the real world?
Imagine a world where AI can understand and interact with us in a way that feels truly natural, seamlessly blending text, images, audio, even sensory data. DSPi is a step towards that vision, enabling the development of AI systems that can learn from and respond to the world in a much richer way.
So it's not just about AI understanding our words, but also our tone of voice, our facial expressions, even our emotions.
Exactly. This opens up incredible possibilities for personalized learning, healthcare, even entertainment. Imagine an AI tutor that can tailor its teaching style to your individual learning preferences, or a virtual assistant that can understand not just what you're saying, but how you're feeling.
Wow, it's like a whole new level of human AI interaction. So as we wrap up this deep dive into the world of social impact AI, what's the one key takeaway you want our listeners to remember?
Well, I hope our listeners come away with a sense of optimism and excitement about the potential of AI to make a positive difference in the world. We've seen incredible advancements in areas like healthcare, accessibility, education, and sustainability. And, this is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, it's crucial that we continue to explore its possibilities, address its challenges, and work together to ensure that it's used for the benefit of all humankind.
Well said. So, to all our deep divers out there, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. The future is ours to shape, and AI can be a powerful tool for creating a world that's more equitable, sustainable, and fulfilling for everyone. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey.